Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Amnesia News. I hope you will be fine this time to talk about what that BTS Jungkook to issue an apology to armies, details on the incident at the Arirang World Tour in Tampa. On the first day of the concert in Tampa, BTS encountered audio problems while performing their hit song Magic Shop. In response to this situation, Jungkook shared an apology with ARMY through his Instagram stories. Updated 27 April 2026. BTS The Worldwide Sensation has officially launched the North American segment of their Arirang World Tour in Tampa on the first day. The group, as always, amazed armies with their dynamic performances, touching interactions with one another, and more. However, they encountered sound difficulties during the performance of the cherished song Magic Shop. In response, the Golden McNay of the group, Jungkook, expressed his apologies to ARMY for the disruption and assured them that they would rectify it on day 2. Jungkook expresses regret to ARMY for sound difficulties at Tampa concert. Taking to his Instagram stories, Jungkook posted several updates where he is seen expressing his apologies to armies for the sound difficulties. He wrote, "There were sound issues with Magic Shop yesterday. No worries. From today on, we will get it right. Sorry to the army who came to see the performance yesterday. I am frustrated too." Meanwhile, it was reported that Jungkook shared a story but later removed it due to translation inaccuracies. The now deleted story stated, "Sorry everyone, the auto-tune malfunctioned yesterday. We apologize to those who heard our unaltered voices. We will work to fix it tomorrow." While some fans mentioned that they did not notice any issues because they sounded flawless, others criticized the group regarding the situation. About BTS Arirang World Tour Tampa. BTS paid a significant and colorful return after completing their mandatory military service, and the BTS World Tour Arirang in Tampa held at Fremont James Stadium, which has been attracting considerable attention in Tampa. BTS delivered a committed performance that was well received by armies. Arirang released on 20 March 2026 is BTS' newest studio album and their long-anticipated comeback following a 4-year break for mandatory military service. Featuring 14 tracks, Body to Body, Holy Gun, Alliance, Fire 2.0, Number 29, the lead single, Swim, Merry-Go-Round, Normal, Like Animals, They Don't Know About Us, One More Night, Please and Into the Sun. The album marks a powerful return that reconnects their global success with their Korean heritage, blending reflective themes, artistic evolution, and a mix of experimental and nostalgic sounds. The album concept and promotional materials often reference Ariranga song recorded in 1896 by 7 Korean students in the United States, depicting BTS as contemporary cultural ambassadors continuing the 130-year legacy of promoting Korean culture. Arirang shattered multiple records immediately after its release, including the most successful album debut of 2026 and a new record for the most streamed K-pop album in 24 hours on Spotify. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Good